Case taking in the pediatric age group is very difficult task because child is not able to give subject to data. Hence, observation play important role. If we see our the Matra Medica is built up of lot of symptom which is observed by the provers. Hence, such type of cases we can easily manage with the help of homeopathy. Hi guys, myself Dr. Ashutosh. In this video, we see a case of viral fever, a pediatric case, which is cured by Dr. Shubham Goyal. Let's see. Before starting case, I want to introduce about Dr. Shubham Goyal. He is a MD, Homeopathic, Pediatrics, graduated from Dr. B.R. Sur Homeopathic Medical College, Hospital and Research Center, New Delhi, and postgraduated from Dr. M.L. Dhawale Memorial Homeopathic Institute, Palghar, Mumbai. He is a sincere, hard worker and a dedicated doctor. He studied and worked on the number of pediatric cases. Chief complaint. This is a case of Master KY 2-year and 11-month-old baby brought by parent with complaining of fever since 1 week. Patient already taken allopathic medicine. No much improvement, hence consulted. The fever without chill, onset or sudden, without any specific cause. During fever, whole body become hot. There is a redness in the eyes. Patient not require covering. Hence he throws off. Weakness +3. There is no chill or the sweat stage. No abdominal pain or loose motion. Physical general. The activity decreased. Weakness +3. The appetite was diminished. Thirst small quantity but often. Urine passed 3 to 4 times per day. Stool hard stool once passed in 2 to 3 days. There is no specific desire and aversion. Sleep normal. Patient is lying on the abdomen and the thermally patient was hot. Mental state during fever very irritable +3 during fever. He become irritable when touched +2 and also by talking +2. In irritability he tried to beating +2. Past history and the family history. The past history is admitted in the hospital in Allahabad on 24/10/2017 in view of failure to thrive with viral fever. There is a recurrent tendency of viral fever and upper respiratory tract infection since 5 to 6 months of age. Family history, there is no any significant disease. Examination. Now after case taking, after the evaluation of the data, physician try to examine the patient to try to conclude the diagnosis. So here if we see the temperature was 100 Fahrenheit, pulse rate was 152 per minute, but other general examinations such as pallor, the icterus, cyanosis, clubbing, edema, everything was absent. There is no palpable of lymph node, tongue was clean and moist, weight 7 kg, skin was healthy, mucous membrane are the moist. On the systemic examination, the RS was clear, air entry bilateral equal, the CNS was the conscious, CVS S1 S2 present, and the per abdomen was soft. So if we see in the examination, except the temperature and the pulse, everything was normal. So after examination, the investigation, uh, in the investigation, the HB was 10.1, WBC 7017, the platelet 3,29,000, the calcium was 10.8 and the CRP was negative. Hence, if we see in the examination and the investigation, we on the and the chief complaint of the patient, we able to conclude this case is a nothing but a viral fever. So after case taking, we start the case processing. In the case processing, first we start with the classification of the symptom. So here we see the characteristic symptom classification. The first symptom was patient is very irritable during fever. Then the irritable when touched, irritable when talking. So all these are the concomitant of the chief complaint. Along with there are the mental symptom, and some of you like touched plus 2 and the talking plus 2 are the modality. Then the irritability, he tried to beating, so it is also concomitant and the mental symptom. Then thirst, small quantity but often, so this is a physical general. Then weakness plus 3 during fever, it is also physical general. So after classification, after characteristic symptom classification, we move toward the totality of the approach of this case. So the approach in this case, if we see the case content, the concomitant, the modality, the physical generals. Hence, Boning-Hussein approach is suitable. The totality of this case. The irritable plus 3 fever during, aggravation touched plus 2, aggravation talking plus 2, the beating plus 2, thirst small quantity but often, the weakness plus 3 during fever. So this is the totality of the case. After totality, we move toward the repertory. In the repertorization, we see the group of remedy. Here, we repertorize this case with the help of the complete repertory. The rubric are the mind irritability, fever during, mind touch beginning aggravation, mind talking talks aggravation others of, mind striking, stomach thirst small quantities for the frequent often, and the generality weakness fever during heat. So after this repetization, we get a group of remedy such as arsenic, nux vomica, phosphorus, belladonna. Out of this, the arsenic, the nux vomica, both covering the 6 rubric, that is covering the whole symptom. So which medicine should we prescribe? If we see in this case, the patient is thermally hot and there is a if and the arsenic and the nux vomica covering the all symptom, but both are the thermally chilly. If we see in the Matra Medica, the thirst for the small quantity and often is mentioned in the arsenic. If we see the past history of the patient, there is a recurrent fever, there is a tendency of this recurrency of fever, along with there is a repeated infection of the upper respiratory tract. So this give a guidance to prescribe the arsenicum iodide. Hence, here physician prescribe the ars iode is selected. The prescription, he prescribed the arsenicum iodum 200 TDS for 2 days. Also advised for the sponging, and he also giving the parent counseling about the fever, and also asked to SOS report. The follow. After 2 days, appetite was much improved, thirst also improved, the weakness also improved, irritability was reduced, but fever was SQ. Hence, here physician judge the generals are improved, hence, but the fever was SQ. Hence, physician decide to repeat the dose. Hence, he asked the patient to take the continue the ars iode 200 TDS. Also, he counseling the parent, and also ask for the sponging and SOS report. After 4th day, there is no episode of the fever, there is no weakness, everything was absolutely normal. Hence, here physician giving the R2 pills, that is placebo, and ask SOS report. So learning from this case. Yes, the first learning of the physician was the case taking in the pediatric age group. Yes, if we see in this case, physician tried to explore the each and everything of this case, like he going to the chief complaint, then he going into the physical journals, then he tried to match with the mentals, then examination, the investigation, how the wonderfully he considering all these things for the prescription and the management of this case. So this is a one of learning to case taking in the pediatric case. Yes, specifically in the fever case. Then importance of the observation. Yes, because the usually child they are not able to give a subjective data, hence observation play important role. So in the observation, physician, the observation not only done by the physician, but it also by the parent, by the relative. So each and every observation is important to treat the such type of the cases, because these are very helping us. Then importance of the parent counseling, yes, of course, because in specific in the fever cases, because the parental anxiety is very much, and which make panic to the physician. Hence if physician is stable, then to it can able he can able to counsel the parent and giving the direction about the uh, this about the fever case. And the lateral thinking, yes, here if we see in the repertorization, the arsenic, the nux vomica was coming covering the whole symptom, but the patient was thermally hot, so arsenic was thermally chilly. So here if physician was lateral thinking, and he tried to search a different tried to search a different remedy which covering in the arsenic group. So he prescribed to arsenic iode. So this lateral thinking is also one of the great learning in this case. I hope you learned something new.